Now, with more industries welcoming back workers in the coming weeks, employers have questions about how to make sure that their offices and workspaces are safe. Grant Herms talked to two Detroit app developers who think they have some answers. Grant?
As businesses push to reopen, redesigning the workplace will be essential. It's why developers at Detroit-based Andonix have created a new app to track workers now allowed back to work.
With Safely, you can use your phone to fill in any wellness forms. And
the app is called Safely. It's designed to streamline access points of businesses. Workers will still have to have their temperatures checked and fill out a specialized questionnaire, which once done can be scanned to let them into the building. From there, each user gets a color, allowing them to be in certain places of their workspace, and creates a heat map where employers can see who's too close and health officials can monitor and adapt social distancing guidelines.
Detection really starts at the door, and so we have to enable a process that creates a real structure around how do you get into a company and into a building and what becomes or has to become a safe space. And then ultimately, what happens once you cross that door?
So far in beta testing, the Safely app has found several hotspots at buildings and offices like bathrooms, break rooms, and entryways in small hallways. And all that data monitoring is raising questions about what's being watched, who's watching it, and where that data goes once it's been collected.
If you elect and opt in to share your location, it's not different than Waze or Google Maps, where you basically are anonymous to everyone. You see yourself in the map and you see like traffic, like the heat map shows like traffic. So nobody knows who you are. Nobody knows where you are.
The app is already being used by major manufacturers like Fiat Chrysler, American Axle, and Master Electronics. And Andonix plans to break into industries like food processing and healthcare, where phones may not be allowed in workspaces through automated detection, hoping to have safety at work for everyone right at our fingertips. In Detroit, Grant Herms, Local 4.
Okay, thanks, Grant. Well, we're reaching for 60 degrees. Let's check it with